Hi everyone! This is Anne, your unexceptional VA. So, today is Friday, as of Manila time. It's very sunny. It's very sunny. In fact, kung ayaw niyo maniwala, I'm going to show it to you. There. Sobrang maaraw today. Hi, Nat! Good afternoon. This is my part of the world. There you go. So, yan. Ang araw, di ba? So, if you remember, last week, same day, Friday, super saya ni Nat. I wonder why. Whatever it is, I'm happy for you. Now, last Friday, if you will remember, sobrang lakas ng ulan. I remember last week, yung EDSA, hindi gumagalaw. It's a highway here in the Philippines for those of you, just in case there are non-Filipinos who are watching this video. Ang haba nung traffic sa EDSA, hindi siya gumagalaw for hours because of the torrential rains. And umaraw lang siya. Actually, kahapon, medyo mapusyaw-pusyaw pa yung araw. But what I loved about that was, nung gabi, nakita ko na yung buwan. So, sabi ko, things are going to look brighter in the next few days. So, ako, nung Friday, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Pero, I was up all night, and I think until 1 a.m. Saturday morning, because I was preparing what I'm going to tell you later on. But, I remember waiting for my brother as well, because he left the office at 8 p.m. Actually, akala niya hindi siya makakauwi. He was already planning of going home the next day, just in case the rains would not stop. But at 8 p.m., he decided to leave the office. But it took him 2 hours to get here in our home. So, that's only it's a usual 45-minute to 1 hour drive from his office to here. But it took him 2 hours. So, I know my brother is already blessed kasi 2 oras lang siyang bumiyahe. But I know for some of you, 3 hours, 4 hours, God knows kung ilang oras. What I was doing during that time, nung umuulan, ay gumagawa ako ng landing page. Inayos ko yung aking mailing list sa aking marketing automation tool. Inayos ko yung website. Yung website, isa kong bagong website. And I prepared everything for an upcoming event that I'm going to do next week. So, these are the things that I love to do. And I am blessed to do because I work from home. And, of course, the whole day, all I did was to do the task of my clients because I'm a virtual I'm a virtual assistant for 5 clients. So, ikaw, anong ginagawa mo last Friday? Ikaw ba ay nasa traffic during that time? Anong oras ka nakauwi? And most likely, naisip mo habang nasa stuck ka sa traffic, this is the end time that I am stuck in traffic. And then, baka naalala mo uli na, naku, hindi ko pa naayos yung portfolio ko, or hindi ko pa nasisimulan yung tutorial ko. Or, ano ba talaga ang rason kung bakit hindi pa rin ako virtual assistant? Why am I still stuck in this traffic? With rains pouring all over, and I am sitting here, hours and hours, waiting for the cars to move. So, what happened? You know, yung mga ganong pagkakataon, I think it's life's way of giving you a wake-up call, especially if you are someone who wants to be a virtual assistant or a virtual professional. Those are wake-up calls. And just in case your heart told you something, or reminded you of something that, hey, why am I still in this situation? Parang ang tagal-tagal ko nang nandito sa sitwasyon na to, umulit na naman. Don't ignore those nudges because it might be a wake-up call for you. I hope this video is also a reminder for you, just in case you had those nudges last week. Kasi, nakita mo maaraw, baka nakalimutan mo na yung wake-up call sa'yo. So, just in case naalala mo na hindi pa ako nakakagawa ng tutorial, hindi pa tapos, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung gusto kong maging na virtual assistant, or gusto ko ba talaga maging virtual assistant, or the perennial question, why am I still stuck here in traffic with the rains? Bakit hindi pa ako virtual assistant? Bakit hindi pa ako nasa bahay, tahimik, kasama ko yung pamilya ko, nagtatrabaho ako? Those questions. This might be the right time for you to go and attend my webinar on Tuesday. It's on August 23, 8 p.m. Manila time. I'm going to give you the top 10 reasons on why you are still not a virtual assistant and what you can do about those reasons. So, hindi ko lang siya ipapresent sa inyo, kung ano yung mga rason na yon. I am going to give you quick solutions for you to be able to take action right away. So, if you think you need or you deserve to attend that webinar, I am inviting you to please sign up here. There you go. Sinulat ko para hindi nyo kalimutan. There. That's on August 23, 2016, 8 p.m. Manila time. Just log on to bit.ly/webinar top 10 reasons. It's going to be very fun. Limited slots only. So, just in case you're able to sign up, and on Tuesday, feeling mo hindi ka makapasok, nako, baka na-late ka na. So, just in case you sign up, I would advise you to log in at least 15 to 20 minutes before the webinar kasi sobrang mapupuno siya. If you are someone who's viewing this video and you already signed up, maraming salamat. I am going to assure you you're going to have a good time, not only learning but also you will also have a good time listing down the best idea that you're gonna get para you could take action right away. Again, that's a free webinar, top 10 reasons on why you are still not a virtual assistant and what you can do about it. Alright? Thank you guys. See you on Tuesday.